Welcome, this is the Doug and Nikki channel. We do luxury travel. We're photographers, professional photographers, but also love to travel the world. Our goal here is to bring you information about trips that you might be looking at so that you know how to maximize them for yourself. This particular trip was a cruise that we took on Royal Caribbean on the Explorer of the Seas. You can see us leaving Bayonne, New Jersey right there out underneath the Verrazano Bridge. We were in a suite. We're in suite 1564, which is a grand suite with a large balcony. It's a one-bedroom suite. It's about 350 square feet. Since this video was shot, this room has been updated and renovated, but the basic layout remains the same. It's on the 10th floor with a giant balcony, which we really loved because we spend a lot of time out on the balcony. We enjoy eating out there, spending our free time looking out over the beautiful ocean as we travel.
Going outside to the secret deck.
This was so fun. On this particular cruise, the Holodeck was open and available, so we wandered out there just to hang out. Obviously, it's always a little windy out there, but what a great place to hang out and have a little bit of fun. Lots of times you'll find they have cocktail parties at some point out there. If you have an opportunity, you should definitely look to do that. Good, you get to every outfit. Let's talk sweet guest stuff. In addition to the delicious breakfast, one of the perks that you have is you have access to a concierge and this lounge here. Here we are. You get an early disembarkation whenever you go into port, and they'll be the first one off, walk off. This is in Bermuda. We love Bermuda. If you ever have an opportunity to go, you should go. One of my wife's favorite things to do is scooting around. So we're just going to grab a scooter here and head out to do a little snorkeling on our own today. Yes, she knows where we're going. We're going to the pool. And as a suite guest, you get a gold card which gives you access to these chairs, which always have nice plush towels on them, and there are always chairs available without fighting for a seat. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe if you did. We'll have lots more like it. Remember to comment below if there's something you want to see or something you think that I left out. We want to hear from you and we want to improve what we're doing for you. Let us know about it.